Today I will discuss about the parse tree, and in this parse tree where this comes. This terminology comes in the second phase of the compiler, which is known as syntax analyzer. The first phase is lexical analyzer. Here we know very well the first phase generates token, or I will say the valid token generated by the first phase. Now these tokens goes to the second phase as the input. These valid tokens are accepted by the second phase, which is syntax analyzer phase. Now these phase uses as input and produce the parse tree. Here the question arises, what do you mean by the parse tree? As we know very well, the parse tree is like a tree structure, and when the tree terminology comes in our mind, we will say this is a hierarchical structure. Here also I have written hierarchical structure means there is some parent and there will be some children in this form. And when the tree comes, we know very well there will be one root, and there will be some internal node. One is there will be internal node. This is second thing, internal node. First one will be the root of the tree, and the third one will be the leaf. These three things will come into the terminology of parse tree: root, internal node, and leaf. And now we here will discuss about what is root, what is internal node, and what do you mean by the leaf. Root, as we know very well, the grammar in second phase we use as a context free grammar. In a context free grammar, the left hand side we use non-terminal. Non-terminal is represented with the help of capital S. This is the terminology of representing the non-terminal. And the right hand side in a context free grammar can be terminal as well as the non-terminal. These are the terminal and this is the non-terminal. Clear? And now I told earlier we use context free grammar in the second phase, and the context free grammar is, here I have written one production rule, that is capital S. These are the non-terminal, and the right hand side uses terminal as well as the non-terminal. Now parse tree, how we represent the parse tree, representation of parse tree. Here I have told in a parse tree, there are three things. One is root, second one is internal node, and third one is leaf. Now with the help of these three, we here will draw the parse tree. Here I will use the grammar. Suppose grammar is given S is equal to AAB. Here this is the starting symbol, and the grammar I am using here is context free grammar. Now the capital A, which is non-terminal, here the production for this is A tends to B, and for non-terminal B I write the production this. Suppose this is the grammar given to us and we have to draw the parse tree for this. How we will start? First we will draw one node which represent the starting node. Here the starting node is representing by the capital S, and now it having three symbol, which is A, capital A and capital B. Here A is terminal, so it acts like a leaf, because leaf here contains only the terminal symbol. And now capital A B tends to B and capital B tends to C. So here at leaf, what I find, all these are terminal symbol. So in pass tree, this I draw the pass tree. Look at this pass tree. Here I use the starting symbol or the root, which is capital S. Then I use some terminal and non-terminal symbol. Look at the leaves. All leaves are terminal. All leaves are terminal symbol. And now what about the internal node? Look internal node. What we find, these internal node contains the production. These internal nodes contain the production like this, AAB. So this production is in the form of this internal node. So here internal node show the grammar production. And what about the starting symbol? Starting symbol is the root. Starting symbol is root. And third thing in the pass tree is all leaves are terminal symbol. So this is the second phase of the compiler, where we find the parse tree. This parse tree is generated as the output for the third phase. So all these are given to the third phase, and this is a very useful, and we studied here about the parse tree. And thank you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.